everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cognize 24/7. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. In this pandemic situation, we all are teaching our students using some technical method. We all have G Suite account. We all are very much familiar with G Suite. So we are very much familiar with Google Classroom. Now we have started using Google Forms also for evaluating our students. Evaluation is very much necessary in everybody's life so that we can see where the student is making a particular mistake and where we can rectify the mistake. So today I will tell you how we can import grades automatically from Google Forms to Google Classroom. So being a teacher, we need not to maintain a separate record. It is very easy and convenient way for the evaluation and for the record maintenance. So let us start. So for this, first of all, we have to go to our web browser. I will be telling the method how you can import grade using a phone only, because grade importing is possible in laptop, but we can use Android device also for the grade importing facility. So first of all, we will go to a web browser. We will type here Google Classroom and we have to click on the Google Classroom. See, I am using my G Suite account which I use for my school. Suppose I have to import the grades of assignment which I will give in class 3rd C. So first of all, we will click on class 3rd C. Then we will go to classwork. So we will go to create. We have to choose the option of quiz assignment. This is the blank quiz which I have already created. Here you can write practice. Here you will click on add. When you click on add, you will have an option of Google Drive. So from Google Drive you can see, suppose blank quiz I am attaching, we have inserted this. So if we click on this grade importing button, the grades will automatically imported to the Google Classroom. See, Classroom can import grades for assignments. Grade importing automatically limits each form to one response per user and restricts responses to users in your own domain. So it is very much beneficial. Here we will update. See, suppose my test is of 10 marks. Click on 10 marks. Like this, you can add the due date, you can add the topic, and one more thing, where it is I am assigning it. See, I have assigned it. When we open it, we will view the assignment and you can see the student work. As I have not assigned any such quiz to them, but I have one more quiz which I had already assigned. So I will show you. See, this was the test which I had already assigned to them. I am opening. See, you can see marks which they have scored in Google form. All the marks are appearing here only, like this. You need not to make a separate record for the marks of these students. All the marks are showing here. You can check it. See. Yes, in case there is some technical issue and it is not importing all the grades, then you can go to the spreadsheet of your Google Forms. This is the spreadsheet of the Google Forms. From here you can see the list of the students along with their roll number and their score. We can click on this, and from here we can arrange it. We can replace it, and we can also see, I will tell you. Yes, from on the corner we can see 3 buttons, 3 dots. Clicking on here we can sort Z to A, or we can sort A to Z. So in this way we have got the complete list of the students along with their scores and their roll number. So I hope you have understood the process of importing grades. Thank you so much for watching.